أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Dear audience, today's talk is a very important thought-provoking message to the whole of the humanity about the creation of the universe and the continuous expansion of the universe. Before I commence today's talk, I would like to bring this fact into the minds of the audience that it is a futile effort to try to explain the Quranic message through the scientific information. This is due to the reason that the scientific theories and discoveries which might appear true today, but at a later time they may equally be disproved by new scientific theories and discoveries. So it is not logical to try to explain something of a divine nature, something which has come from the creator of the heavens and the earth, from something from science which is continuously changing. Nevertheless, we have got this revealed knowledge. This is a gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a great blessing from the creator of the heavens and the earth. This revealed knowledge is a check meter. This is a balance. And we can check the present scientific information through this revealed knowledge. I'll be talking today briefly about the present scientific information about the creation of the universe and the expansion of the universe. And I'll be gathering the references from the book of the creator and what does he says about the creation of the universe and the expansion of the universe. So what is the Big Bang Theory? The Big Bang Theory is an explanation of the early development of the universe. According to this theory, the universe expanded from an extremely small, extremely hot, and extremely dense state. Since then, it has expanded and become less dense and cooler. The Big Bang is the best model used by the astronomers to explain the creation of the matter, space, and time 13.7 billion years ago. What evidence supports the Big Bang Theory? There are two major scientific discoveries which support the Big Bang Theory. The first is the Hubble's discovery in 1920s of the relationship between a galaxy's distance from Earth and its speed, and the discovery in 1960s of cosmic microwave background radiation. When the scientists they talk about the expansion of the universe, what does they mean? It means like galaxies, stars, planets, objects, things, they are just the creation which are placed within the universe. These things are not expanding, but the space between the things is in a state, it is continuously expanding. So in 1924, astronomer Edwin Hubble used a technique pioneered by Henrietta Leavitt to measure the distances to the remote objects in the sky. Hubble used spectroscopic redshift data to measure the speeds these objects were traveling, then graphed their distance from the Earth against their speed. He discovered that the speed at which the astronomical objects move apart is proportional to their distance from each other. In other words, farther away the objects are from the Earth, the faster they are moving from us. This later became known as the Hubble's law. This picture, which I am showing at the moment, M83 Southern Pinwheel, is a barred spiral galaxy about 15 million light years from the Earth, and it's moving away from us at about 513 kilometer per second. This picture has the credit of this picture goes to the Spirit Image by Paul Lucas. So the universe is in a continuous state of expansion according to the present scientific information. And the other evidence which the scientists they do place to support the Big Bang theory is cosmic background radiation. This image, which I am showing at the moment, this image represents the growth and the evolution of the universe since the Big Bang. Time is shown on the horizontal axis. The size of the universe is represented by the vertical axis. The credit goes to NASA and WMAP. So in this image, different stages of in the development of the universe they are shown, which I am not going into detail at this particular moment. So we can see along the horizontal axis is the time, and along the vertical axis is the distance, and we can see that the universe is in a continuous state of expansion. And scientists do believe what is causing the universe to expand. They say it's the cosmologists, they believe that an effect called dark energy is causing the universe to expand by making matter repel other matter. At present, scientists do not know what dark energy is it. Now I'm going to see what does the Creator says about the creation of the universe. Before I commence the Quranic evidence, it is important to keep this fact in mind that Quran was revealed more than 1400 years ago. But the present scientific information of the Big Bang theory, the expansion of the universe, and the cosmic background radiation, they are a matter of recent past. In 1920s, the Big Bang theory was put forward. In 1924, scientists came to know that the universe is expanding. Before that particular time, the scientists do believe that the universe is static. They do not believe, the science did not believe that the universe is continuously expanding. I'm going to seek references from the two verses of the Kitabullah, verse number 30 of the Surah Al-Anbiya, which is the 21st chapter of the Kitabullah, and verse number 47 of the Surah Zariyat, which is the 51st chapter of the Quranic Hakim. Let us seek and pay heed to the messages of the Kitabullah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking, أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَّقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلِّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Meaning, are then they who are bent on denying the truth not aware that the heavens and the earth were once one single entity, which we then parted asunder, and that we made out of water every living thing? Will they not then begin to believe? Let us concentrate and pay heed to the messages of the Kitabullah. The messages of the Kitabullah, they are comprehensive and they are aimed at the audience, which is the humanity, and the humanity of all ages, meaning of all era. The messages, they are universal and it is intended for all of the humanity which has passed and all of the humanity which is going to come into being. And each and every word used in Kitabullah has got a meaning, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has told about the creation of the universe in a nutshell, in a very comprehensive analogical way. He has told about how he has created the universe. let us concentrate. What does Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking? Avalam yarallazina kafaru. So why not the people who deny this truth, this al-haq? Why don't they consider? Why don't they use their minds? Annas samawati wal arza kanata ratkan, that the heavens and the earth were once one single entity. So the word used here is ratkan. If we see the dictionary and we try to get the meanings of the word ratkan, so the root word is ratak, which means closed up, sewed up, and it is also used for a she camel whose female external orifice is completely closed up and nothing can go inside. And this word is also used for buds which have not yet blossomed. If we see the present universe and our earth, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, Anna samawati wal arda kanata ratkan, that all of the heavens and the earth, they were all closed up, sewed up to a single point. So they were a single entity. So from this fact, we can just get an imagination. It is difficult to imagine even that how much the universe has expanded over time. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that in the early part of the development of and the creation of the universe, the heavens and the earth, they were just a single entity. The word used here is ratkan, which I have just mentioned here. So one of the meanings of this word is a flower bud which has not yet blossomed. So when I started studying the Big Bang theory and the different models which the scientists have placed to explain the creation and the expansion of the universe, so I found a great analogy between the images coming from the NASA and also from the word ratak. So if you can see the screen and the model which I have shown earlier as well about the creation and the continuous expansion of the universe, it is just like an opening flower bed. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described that we have the heavens and the universe, they were just closed up together, they were sewed up together, they were closed just like something unto which nothing can enter, and we are continuously expanding it. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used the analogy here, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that we are continuously expanding the universe just like an opening of a flower bud. And within this flower bud, if we see the petals of the flower bud, the things which are away, the petals which are away from the center of the flower, they are moving farther away than the things which are present, or the petals which are present towards the center of the flower. So, which is again a great analogy of what the science says at the moment. And I have found great resemblance between the flower bud and its opening up, its blossoming up, and also the present scientific model which is being put forward by the NASA about the creation and the continuous expansion of the universe. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that the heavens and the earth, they were once one single entity. They were sewed up together, they were closed up together, just like something into which nothing can enter. So universe has expanded a lot. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is further saying, فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا, that we then rented them apart. We expanded the universe. We created the universe. وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ, and we made out of water every living thing. أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ, will they not then begin to believe in? Now I'm going to Surah Zariyat, 51st chapter of the Kitabullah, and seek references from the verse 47 about the expansion of the universe. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking here. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ, and it is we who have built the universe with our creative power, and verily it is we who are steadily expanding it. Let us concentrate and pay heed to the message of the Kitabullah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking, وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ, that we have created the universe through our own powers. وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ, and we are steadily expanding it. So the scientists say that there is some force, there is some dark energy, which is constantly repelling the things which are present in the universe, and they don't know what that dark energy is. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking that it is we who are making the universe to expand. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given the signs for all the humanity to come to the truth, and He has explained in His book more than 1400 years ago that how the universe was created and how the universe is expanding. And even the pattern of the expansion of the universe, if we see the analogy of the opening of the flower bed, even the pattern of the expansion of the universe is quite similar to what the science says in the present world. With this, I am concluding today's talk, and I seek Allah's forgiveness if there's any shortcoming in the delivery of the message. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا وأخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. جزاكم الله خير.